Hi children. In the previous class, what we discussed, ma? Abacus, no? What is the meaning of abacus? Abacus is the number which we count or understanding the place value of the digits. What is that? The abacus we are counting and understanding what the digit of the place values. Now today we are going to the expanded form. What, ma? Expand form. EX, PA and D. Expand. FORM form. Expand form. EX, PA and D. Expand. FORM form. Expand form. Expand form means what? This is also same like that abacus only. The expand form is the number of the sum of the place value of a digit. No, that is the expand. This is the short form of that number. You expand more. What is that now? The expand means the short form of the number is there. No, that number you expand more. See here. You already know that 1 to 9 numbers. 0 to 9 are what digit numbers? 1 digit numbers. No. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are 1 digit number. You already know these are the 1 digit numbers. Then after 9, after which number? 10. The 10 to 99 numbers. 10 to 99 are the 2 digit numbers. No? 2 digit numbers. Like that, in the 2 digit numbers, how that they expand. How that we know about the place values. The place value of the digits. See here, you already know the 10. In this 10, here how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Here 1 and 0. The 0 in 1's place and the 1 in 10's place. I am already explained in the abacus, previous class abacus now. The abacus means we are doing with the beats. Here this expand form, that 10 here the number is 10. In 0 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. You will speak about the in 1's place how many 10's are there? See there how many 10's in 1's place? Here there are 3 10's now. No, only 1 10. That is 1 10 place. In 0 how many in 1's place? How many numbers? Here there are numbers. No, the 0. So the 0 1's. 0 1's. 1 in 10's place, 1 10 and 0 in 1's place, that 0 1's. No, like that I am giving answer 11. See the 11. 11 means here is in 1's place. 1 in 1's place and this one is in 10's place. Means here I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many 10's here? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. 10 ones equal to 110. 10 ones equal to 110. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Like this, these 10 ones make 110. No children, like that. Here I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here how many 10's? This is 1 10 and this is another 10. How many 10's here? 2 10's. Means here 20 ones. This is 10 ones and this is 10 ones. These 20 ones make 2 10's. No, this is 1 10 and this one ten. So these two tens make two tens. Like that. Three tens make three tens. Four tens makes four tens. Like that you are going down. Now see here. Here 11. Here 11 is there. So in this 11, how many tens in ones place? How many tens ma? Only one ten. 110 plus in ones place how many ones? Only one one. 1 1. Now here 1 tens means only 110 plus 110. This is only 110 plus 1 ones. 1 ones. So now 110 means only 110, no? Next plus how many ones here? Only 1. So 1. So 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11. The next number. No? 11. Like that, no? This is the expanding of this short form of this number. This number you expand more. That is the expand form. Here I am giving another example. See here. 2 and 3. See here. Tell me ma, which is 2 in which place? 2 in which place? Tens place. Very good. And 3 in which place? Ones place. Means you expand that digits. This is 3 in ones place and 2 in tens place. Now say here, what 2 means how many tens here? In the tens place you count as tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Like that you count as a tens. In the ones place you count only ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that you count. In tens place you count as tens. And the ones place you count as ones. Now see here. In tens place how many numbers here? 2 numbers. So in the tens place what is that? 2 tens. You write as 2 tens plus how many ones here? See that in ones place what is the number? 3. So 3 ones. 3 ones. Now say 2 tens means how many tens? 2 tens means 20. Here 1 ten means 10. 2 tens means 20. No? Do you know the 2 table? 2 tens are how much you say? 20. So 2 tens means 20. Plus how many ones here? Only 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So you write as only 3. Now you are going to 20 plus 3. 20 in your mind. Take additional after you learn the additions. 20 plus 3. 23. That is means you expand that number. The short form of the number you expand more to make the place values. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. And after you are going to the second class, hundreds place, thousands place like that. Now, but that is not enough for you, know, because of you are the first class students, no. Just you learn about the 2 digits only. After you are going to the second class, then you learn about the third digits, 4 digits like that. Now you learn only about in the 2 digits only. Okay, now children, see here in these 2 digits you make as the place values. This is ones place and this is the tens place. Like that you expand. This is the expand form, children. Again, I'll give you one more example. Now tell me ma, which is in ones place and which is in tens place? See there. 1 in ones place and 3 in tens place. Very good. Now you expand this number. This is the short form of the number now. 31. Now how to expand this one? Yeah, here in tens place how many tens? 3 tens. Very good. 3 tens plus how many ones here? Only 1 1. 1 ones. Now say now 3 tens means how much? 1 10 means only 1 10. 2 tens means 20. 3 tens means 30. No, very good. 30 plus 3 tens means 30 plus how many ones here? See that only one. So 1 equal. So 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1. 31. Very good. Like this, that is the expand, the short form of the number you expand more. Now I will do one more example. 4. Now tell me this one. 4 in tens place. And in ones place, what is the number? 0. So what is the number? 0. Now you expand this number 40. So in tens place, how many tens? 4 tens. Very good. 4 tens plus in ones place, how many ones? 0 ones. Very good. 0 ones. Now you are saying 4 tens means how many tens? 4 tens means 40. Very good. 40 plus here how many ones? Only 0. So now you say 40 plus 0. If any number you add 0, the same number will come. Now children, 40 plus 0 means 40. No, if any number you add as a 0, the same number will come. See here, I'll give 10 plus 0. 10 only come. 20 plus 0. 20. 30 plus 0. 30. 40 plus 0. 40. Next, 12 plus 0. 12. If any number you add 0, the same numbers will come. No children? So now here 40 plus 0, 40. Now 60. Now tell me ma'am, which is in 6 in which place? 2 in which place? 6 in tens place. Very good. And 2 in ones place. Very good. This is ones place. The first, if any number you add with the right side, means the first here 2 ones place. Next 6 in tens place. Now tell me ma, 6 in 10 plus how many tens? How many tens? 6 tens. Very good. 6 tens plus next 2 in ones place. So how many ones? 2 ones. 2 ones. Now say 6 tens means how much? 6 tens means 60. Very good. 60 plus how many ones here? 2 ones. 2. That's all. Here why? Because there is 60. Because here in the tens place you count as only tens. No, 10, 20, 30 like that. 6 tens means how much? 60. And here how many ones? 2 ones. So only 2. 60 plus 2? 62. No, like that. Now I am giving answer. Now say this is tens place and this is ones place. Now say how many ones here in tens place? Only 1 10. So how many tens? 110. 110 plus in ones place how many ones? 5 ones. 5 ones. Now 110 means how many tens? 110 means only 110. So you write as a 10 only. Plus here how many ones? Only 5 ones, no? So only 5 right. Now 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 15. Now we understood now children what is expand form means? The short form of the number you expand more. You know about the place value of these numbers. This is the expand form. Now children. Now I'll give some examples, children. You tell the answers. Okay, na children? Now say which is in ones place and which is in tens place. 5 in tens place. Very good. Next, 0 in ones place. Very good. Now you expand this number. In tens place, how many tens? 5 tens. Very good. 5 tens plus. In ones place, how many ones? 0 ones. 0 ones. So now 5 tens means how much? 5 tens 50. Very good. 50 plus how many ones here? Only 0. 0. Now 50 plus 0 how much? What I am saying in the previous if any number you add 0, which number comes? The same number only, no? So 50 plus 0, 50. Very good. Now 2 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Now say how many tens? 2 tens plus how many ones? 4 ones. 4 ones. Now 2 tens means how much? 2 tens 20 plus 4 ones. 20 plus 4 24. Very good. No? This is the experiment. I'll give one more one. Tell me that. One more example. I'll give. See the 19. Now which is in ones place and which is in tens place? 1 in tens place and 9 in ones place. Very good. This is tens place and this is ones place. Now in tens place how many ones are there? Only 1 10. Very good. Plus in ones place how many ones? 9 ones. Very good. 9 ones. So 110 means how much? 110 plus how many ones? 9 ones. Only 9 you are counting. Only ones. So 10 plus 1, 19. Now children? Yeah. Next one. 16. Which is in tens place and which is in ones place? 6 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Very good. 6 in tens place, 1 in ones place. Now you expand this number, children. Yeah. How many ones in tens place? 6 tens here. Very good. 6 tens plus how many ones? Only 1 1. Now 6 tens means 60. Very good. And how many ones? Only 1. So 61. 60 plus 1, 61. No? That is the expand form of the numbers. No children? I'm giving 75. Which is in tens place and which is in ones place, children? 7 in tens place, 5 in ones place. Now 7 in tens place and 5 in ones place. In tens place, how many tens here? 7 tens. So 7 tens plus how many ones here? 5 ones. Only 5 ones. So 7 tens means how much? 70. Yeah. Next 5 ones means only 5. No? Now 70 plus 5, 75. No children? This is the expand form. Means the short form of the number you expand as more. You are saying that the place value of the digits. This is the expand. Do you understand, my children? Okay. This is the expand form. Okay, my children?